Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick in WordPress, how to filter all your media so you can easily see only the files you've uploaded. If you've ever struggled to manage a large media library, this guide is going to save you a lot of time. First, log into your WordPress site. For a quick and secure login, you can use the Continue with Google option right at the top right corner. Once you're in, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the media library. This is where all your uploaded files, images, videos, and documents are stored. By default, WordPress shows media from all users, which can get overwhelming if your site has multiple contributors. To focus on your own uploads, look for the drop-down menu labeled All Media Items. Click it and then select the Mine option. This will filter the library to show only the files you personally uploaded. Finally, click the Filter button. Instantly, your media library updates to display only your files. This makes it so much easier to organize, edit, or delete your uploads without getting lost in everyone else's files. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can keep your media library clean and manageable. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.